green, about 3.5 kilohertz. So it's much more intense since talking to the Intelligence Committee yesterday, the House Senate Intelligence Committee, to demand full disclosure and stop signal to authority. That's what I have to listen to in my head. This ultrasonic frequency captures it very well. It's a live mode. Listen. That's being pumped into my head directly. We believe 5G towers are involved. We have the patents on the beamforming chip used, the Ericsson chip used to attack people. Shrivas and Vandenberg have satellites that can track everybody in this country. And they can track you, and then if they decide, they can attack you with directed energy weapons and use the 5G towers and other satellites to do it. My phone's being held back a little bit. I can see the hesitation in the phone. So the AI they're using on the satellites, probably the jackals, because they're putting one up every 5 days that can track and attack earthbound assets. So they probably, through autonomous, as they say, AI-driven satellites, they probably programmed them to monitor their targets. And when we do things to protect ourselves, then they tone it down. And when we stop, they increase it again. Because a lot of times when I'm with other people, the attacks tone down. And when I'm isolated by myself, they get much louder. Or if I make calls to the Senate Select Committee on Intelligence or the Intelligence Committee of the House of Representatives, or I bring up Lockheed Skunk Works or Raytheon, which are, they're very compartmentalized. There's many people who work for them that don't have a clue as to what's going on. And I've talked to people who worked in different areas, because here, I work with the veterans, that say it's so compartmentalized that you don't know certain areas what's going on. Sometimes people have to hold their head down when they go by certain areas. They are not allowed to see what's going on. Do you see what a problem this is to have the military-industrial complex? Remember Eisenhower? Beware the military-industrial complex. Now they're running and telling our Congress what we can and can't do. I want and I demand full disclosure. And I wish everybody out there would tell all their relatives and friends to write to their senators and congressmen in their state and say, we want full disclosure. The more people that do this, the better our world's going to be in the future. It doesn't take that much effort to make a phone call. And the more people that do it, the more powerful it becomes. The voices of many will make a difference.